What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at an RC car. Now, we have looked at RC toys before, like we looked at a roach, multiple little drones. It's time to go in a different direction and check out an RC car. This is actually by GPTOYS. This is the Flame Piece Off-Road, the S916. A new category of off-road excitement. All-terrain, water-resistant. Apparently this thing can go like 26 miles an hour, so that's kind of cool. It's super durable to play in various terrains such as grassland, sand, mountain, snow. They're also saying that they have this flat design on the top so that you can mount a camera or lights or something. Oh yeah, so there you go. It actually advertised right there. All right, let's just open this thing up. I just want to play with it. Oh yeah. That is pretty cool looking. I'm definitely digging it already. All right, how do we get into this bad boy? You're gonna have to work with me. Let's just tape all the way around it. Oh, got a box, got a remote. These little zip ties are a pain. Come on! I did it. Come on, these zip ties. Work with me. Come on! Okay, we got one more zip tie on there. Get out of here. Wow, man, they really packaged toys up pretty tightly. Oh, it's so bouncy. I like that. Good suspension. All right, what's in the box?
Oh, what's in the box?
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Oh man, that thing's gonna be awesome for off-roading. All right, so we've got some stuff. What is this, extra gears? What's going on over here? It looks like we got some extra gears. Got an extra wheel. Looks like a little tool, some clips, a couple gears. Okay, so first off, man, that's pretty cool looking. So yeah, nice flat top. Seems like it's made pretty well. I mean, the suspension is freaking awesome. Look at that. You got your spoiler in the back. You got your little mock motor and two little guys inside. On the side it says Flame Piece. All right, so you pull the pins off the front. You lift it. Okay, and then that's how you get to the battery. Oh, it's got this little latch. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, then you got your on-off switch, you got your battery in here. So in the booklet you can see that they have all the parts for it. Oh, and the whole diagram and everything. Wow, look at that. That's pretty cool. It's a pretty heavy terrain. You may damage it or whatever, and you may need to replace some parts. Here's the remote, very basic. How do you turn it? Hello, wait a second. Wait, is this the wheel? That's the control. So that wasn't an extra wheel. That's actually the remote. That's actually how you go. Okay, so that makes sense. So that's actually how you turn it. And then this little knob right here with the arrows, this is to fine tune the steering trim. So if you notice that it's going a little to the left or a little to the right, you can kind of adjust that and it'll line it up. The control, it doesn't feel like it's super heavy duty. This is not like a $300, you know, off-roading vehicle or anything. But I have a feeling we're gonna have some fun with it. Let me get some batteries. Oh, oh, whoa. Okay, I turned it off. It's very touchy. All right, yeah, let's take this outside. And you know what? I might just go ahead and throw my GoPro on it too, just so we can get some cool footage. All right, let's go. For the price range, I think it's actually worth it. It goes like 24 miles an hour. I don't have a radar detector, so I can't actually show you the speed, but
it was going pretty quick. Either way, I think it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, with only one battery, you get about 5 minutes of play out of it, so definitely invest in some more batteries. Anyway, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. Definitely go check it out for yourself, but as for now, get out of here.